Hi, this is Cecily Studio YouTube channel, and today I am driving down University Drive and I'm going to the dog park. So I'm making a left onto Pulaski into, Pulaski and University Drive, and that's located across the street from the Memorial Stadium, so you can check that out too if you want. There's plenty of parking, and it's in the Riverway parking lot. And here's the Riverway. This is what's connected to Wildwood. I'm going to have a video just in a bit about how you can go past the dog park and enjoy the Riverway. But as you can see, we are rushing to the dog park. Charlie's got a lot of good friends there, and he loves going to this dog park. So you go down this way, and then you make a right, and there's some signage saying this is Sparky's Run Dog Park in Radford. And there are two sections. There's a section for the small dogs, and there's also a section for the large dogs. In the large dog area, or all dog area, there's a shelter, two picnic tables, and tons of grass with trees. And you can enter in two different ways to this dog park. There's water, a pump, as well as containers or bowls for the dogs to drink from. The dogs love the grass, and this is a really well-kept dog park that has a lot of maintenance to it because of the grass. So I hope you come and check it out. And thanks again for tuning in, liking, and subscribing to Cecily Studio YouTube channel. Let's slow down and flow. Take care.